Hey guys, this is Quentin. We're in my garage looking today at the LiftMaster 1/3 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. I don't know what the model number it is. I have the remote for this and I have to point the phone up. I had to use my mom's phone and I'll point it up towards the garage door opener like this. And I want to clean out our garage, okay? It's a kind of a beautiful day outside. Don't want you guys to see our junk that much. Well, anyway, without further ado, I have to use this remote. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a beautiful window. Now let's open the garage door back up. That's my mom driving my dad's car. Now we'll close the garage door one more time. Don't want you guys to see our junk that much. Well, I can show you a little bit. Open it back up one more time. It's a beautiful chain drive opener. Okay. Alrighty, YouTube. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll publish this video on YouTube. Check back soon, and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.